as a child, we were taught that Gandhi was a saint and killing him was a cheap act. So what could be the reason for this influence in our minds?
No, cheap act means
We were taught that.
We were taught, but that he has answered.
That is
already.
okay.
we should understand
Yeah.
everyone lives one's own life like anything. So by killing Gandhi, when one has to sacrifice one's life, we should not consider it to be a cheap act.
Correct.
Because for him only, and government did not expect that the killer would be so brilliant a person to argue for 9 days in the High Court without touching the point of his own sentence.
Sir, what is the difference between Gandhi as a human being and as a politician?
No. How do you differentiate a politician from human beings? No, I'll tell you. The setting of the question is not correct. Because
Okay, let's not go into that. Are you saying that Gandhi was a politician
he was
more than a humanitarian?
No. He was a politician to achieve his own aim.
To achieve his
What
own
aim?
aim.
Yes.
What was his aim?
What was
His aim, the Pakistan to Muslims.
No, but Pakistan to Muslim idea came much later, at the time of division of the country.
Look, his appeasement policy started as soon as he entered politics in India. Khilafat
Can you give
we had-
one example?
Yes, Khilafat we had nothing to do. It was
Khilafat.
borrowed by Congress
Right.
as India's, and when that Khilafat movement was stopped because of Kemal Pasha, all these people tumbled down,
Mhm.
and in Kerala, this Mopla, Moplas, and they massacred Hindus and Hindus in thousands. And you will find the population of Muslims is increased the next census. So that is what they did. And there in Turkestan, when the people came in a group to oppose Burqa, because not to oppose Burqa, to support Burqa, because he banned Burqa. Then this Kemal Pasha said, hang them all who are opposing. They were all hanged and they were all male were there. So it was Kemal Pasha who opposed Burqa in spite of his Islamic ideology.
Some religions teaching hatred and all that. Fine. I just want to know what's your opinion on Manusmriti?
That's right.
It's a very relevant question.
Very good. In our religion, as you said, there is no binding on one on another. So Manusmriti may be followed, may not be followed. And if you don't follow, there is no compulsion on you. There is no force on you, not you should follow.
Agreed. But
this.
what is your opinion on Manusmriti?
But I'm
is
sorry.
One thing. Manusmriti is to be studied as a basis of the knowledge existing in those days. You do not apply it today.
But Manu's code
Yes.
has been accepted, and that has been the root cause of all inequality in Hindu life. Or rather, I would say that was the degeneration of real Vedantic Hindu philosophy with the introduction of Manusmriti.
Maybe.
And for that you
your-
not blame the Muslims.
No, I mean to say, your study may be correct,
Yeah,
what you say.
right.
Because I have not studied that subject.
Yeah.
And to talk anything without study is...
In other words, what we are saying is, rather than finding an enemy in Muslims, why can't you find an enemy in your own self, that your own people, Manu, was your own enemy?
That we have already done. We are already doing so. And therefore, when I talk of Hindu Mahasabha, you will find it's a gathering of all castes, irrespective of their
How many
interchangeability.
Christians and how many Muslims are there in Hindu Mahasabha?
All castes.
All castes of Hindus. Okay. 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 What do you have to say on uniform civil code?
It should have been done at that time. And these people will never do it, including the BJP.
Right.
Because-
They did not do it.
Because that goes against the principle of appeasement to the Muslims.
That's right.
If there happens to be a Christian government,
Right.
Christian dominated government, they may do it.
Yes.
Common civil code.
पहिलेचं सिच्युएशन आजचं पॉलिटिकलचे लिडर्स आपण जे बघतो कोणी देशप्रेमी नाही आहे. जे काही आपले लिडर्स झालेले आहेत सगळं आपलं एज्युकेशन फॉरेनमध्ये घेतलेले आहेत.
Oh.
ह्याच्यावरती तुमचं काय टिप्पणी आहे? कोणाला देशप्रेम नाही आहे.
That does not disqualify one. But they are not sincere with the people. They are not sincere with the unit they have chosen. That is our observation. They are only sincere as to how much more money I can grab. They don't take the post as their feeder, but they take it as their fodder.
एवढं असून सुद्धा आणखी तेच लोक लिडर असतात की आपल्या
Oh, बरोबर आहे. They become leader thereby only. आता just for fun's sake.
तुमचा चहा आज मिळणार का आम्हाला?
बरं का?
चहामध्ये
ए चहा कर का? चहा चालू कर ना.
आज मिळणार?
You see, on this what you call TV, it was shown someone was eating grass.
Wheat grass.
घास खाता है,
हाँ,
ये दिखाया था.
हाँ, wheat grass.
तो मैंने ये कहा कि ये अपना लालू प्रसाद का शिष्य है, क्योंकि लालू प्रसाद घास खाता है किंतु दिखाता नहीं, ये दिखाता है घास खाते समय.
Out of 57 of independence, the Nehru dynasty has ruled for almost
20 years.
no more than that. Nehru ruled for 18 years.
Yes.
Indira
18.
ruled for 1836. Rajiv Gandhi ruled for 5 years,
Yes.
41. Then Narasimha Rao, VP Singh and others collectively
For
ruled
short time.
for short time, but collectively Congress ruled out of 56 years, 50 years.
Yes.
And Mahatma Gandhi had said after independence that Congress should be disbanded. So, to that extent, why Mahatma Gandhi was not heard?
Whatever is not beneficial to them, they did not hear. So it was not beneficial to them.
So, at least to that extent, you can't blame Gandhi.
No. His advice,
Ah.
he did not have the honest followers at all.
That we know. Okay, to change this situation, because now what will happen, and I have seen you also taking the side of Sonia Gandhi. That means you have no objection Sonia Gandhi becoming Prime Minister of India.
That is not that. The conclusion is not correct.
Okay. So
I
you.
praise her in the same way, in the way
Ah,
that it was a wise step for her to save herself
fine. But you
and
don't.
to save her party
Okay.
and
fine.
save the post of Prime Ministership also.
Okay. But you don't mind if her son becomes, who doesn't know anything about India, becoming the Prime Minister. In other words, Nehru dynasty continuing.
That is wrong. Those who want Nehru dynasty are running in the historical period of past. So it should never happen. According
So what is your plan to change this situation of only Nehru dynasty ruling India?
no, make it democratic.
But it is democratic.
No, by democratic way.
Ah.
Do not preach for it. If you go on here,
Who is preaching for it? It is the Congress preaching for.
I know.
right.
It is the Congress preaching.
Yeah.
So defeat Congress, it will be nowhere.
But Congress was defeated and your BJP was in power and still it came back again.
Even then, that itself is not enough.
Yeah.
And one installment of this, what you call, elections does not finish the time.
Do you think BJP will come back to power again?
BJP may come. BJP
When?
within next 10 years. If
Within
not
next
within-
10 years it will come?
Yes, and this present ministry will, I doubt, will last for 5 years. They will not take 5 years. One may have to go to the polls within 2 years, 3 years.
What is the secret of your long life? You are 80, running 85 now. You entered 85th year on 12th June
Right.
this year.
Yes.
So what is your secret?
You see, actually, the nature has asked me not to talk about it because nature has not talked about it to me.
Okay.
But what it has done, I will tell you. It has caught me by the finger and taken me to this stage. What about tomorrow? Nature has kept her fist closed, not open to me. So that is my secret. It is the nature that brings me. Mana, that my poem goes this way, की जीवन माझे स्वतंत्र नाही, मी नियतीचा बांधील राही. I am bound by niyati.
Right. Okay.
No, that's the special place. Yeah, the ladies' place.
टॉयलेट का भी फोटो ले.
Do you want to shoot toilet?
स्नेल किती छान दिसते त्याच्यात बघ.
हॅलो भैया, घ्यायचं का?
अगं बाया. बापरे
इथेच
बापरे.
असं करायचं असं
जोरात करतात
जोरात अगदी.
जोरात
आणि असं कान दाबायचे असे बघा.
मेंदूकडे जायला पाहिजे.
हा, रक्त मेंदूकडे गेलं पाहिजे, डोळ्यांकडे गेलं पाहिजे. ओके, हे घ्या. आता याची गरज नाहीये.
बरं.
आता दुसरं झालं थंड.
हे गरम पाण्याने केलं का आधी?
हो. अगोदर गरम पाण्याने, आता थंड पाण्याचं.
असं किती दिवसांनी करायचं? किती
दररोज एकदाच. प्रत्येक दिवशी दररोज एकदा. आणि हे बघा, डोळे घट्ट करू नका, मान सैल ठेवा, अशी खाली करा.